AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find some links. So it says swing like a pro. Click on that link, then come to this page right here and you can check out these videos and the setups if you want these trades, and if you want to enter and exit with me, you can join this program Swing Like a Pro. Then you have this consultation. So if you want to speak with me one-to-one, you can book consultation. And then you can always join free Telegram. So coming back to the chart right here, we will start with the weekly time frame in the top down approach. So weekly we are above the EMA, as you can see. And this week we have made a wick and turned into the bullish. So you can see since last 5 weeks we had been slightly bullish, and the price is above the EMA. Coming back to daily time frame, daily we are still above the EMA, and 4 hour as well we are above the EMA. So all time frames are above the EMA. So 4 hour, daily, weekly price is in uptrend in all three time frames, and that means look for longs after each pullback in core hour as per the definition. But analysis is one thing because it's free, but reality or real trades are different things. So if you want to enter and exit with me precisely, then join this Swing Like a Pro program. Subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.